In this demonstration, we'll look at system diagnostic tools that can help us diagnose hardware issues on our computers. Many systems come with pre-boot diagnostic utilities that are designed for offline use. For example, to run the diagnostic utility on a Dell system, you press F12 at Power On and then select Diagnostics from the one-time boot menu. This is done in a pre-Windows environment and doesn't connect to the internet. You run the tool, capture any error codes, and then use information from the manufacturer's website to figure out the issue. Many of these tools give you a QR code that you can scan with a mobile device. That'll take you to the exact web page where you can find out more or order a replacement part. On this system, there's an online diagnostic tool that can help us get automated fixes or provide direct links to order a replacement part. This is a great option if your system can boot. If your system doesn't already have a diagnostic tool, check the manufacturer's website to see if one exists. I've verified that I have the tool installed. I've also gone to the Dell diagnostic page for this notebook system. Let's look at the different diagnostic tools there. I see that they have some different tests that I can run. The first one is a quick test. This is used to check for common errors with the processor, hard disk drive, memory, and optical drive. There's also a full test. This does everything a quick test does, but it also runs a stress test on all the hardware. Notice that this one takes a lot longer, 40 minutes. The one I like most is the custom component test. For example, if I'm having trouble with my USB ports, I can run a test exclusively for them, saving me a lot of time. I'll do that here to see if it finds anything. You'll notice that it automatically opens up my Support Assist program, and I end up getting a summary of information about my USB ports, which seem to be working fine at the moment. Okay, well, that's it for this demonstration. In this demo, we talked about using system diagnostic tools to test our system components. If your system won't boot, use the offline tool. If your system does boot, the online tool is the best way to go.